Make any sense? No, but
It
people do
doesn't.
things that don't make sense at all. And
Nobody would do that. I've never heard of it, and nobody would do it.
You can speak for everybody then.
No one would come in the broad daylight to scope out a place with their face showing, speaking to law enforcement officers, speaking to the supervisor, giving you my name. No one would have done that.
Okay, just because you gave me my name, that's enough for me.
It should be enough for you.
Is it enough for me to know who you are?
Do you think I'm committing any crimes? Do you suspect me of committing any crimes?
Right?
Yeah, Sean. Yeah.
What's your last name, Sean?
I'm not gonna give it. Not gonna give it. No.
Why not?
Because I don't provide my full name or my driver's license unless I've been suspected of committing a crime, and I'm definitely not. Do you have a crime that do you suspect me of committing?
Well, that's what we're investigating right now, I guess.
Yeah, but you don't have a specific, a reasonable, articulable suspicion of a crime that you suspect me of committing, right?
To you what I suspect, didn't I?
No, you suspect. That was your concern. You had a concern of that, but you have no reasonable, articulable suspicion that I would be robbing the place just by taking pictures. That's not.
Really?
Yeah.
No, you're incorrect, sir.
So what's your reasonable, articulable suspicion that I'm committing a crime?
It's suspicious what you're doing right now.
So it's suspicious.
Even though you're
But suspicion is not a crime, sir. That's not a. It's not a crime. Well, suspicion of a crime. You missed the last part. Of a crime. There's a last part to it. It's of a crime. It's not reasonable suspicion, articulable suspicion.
You're not going to educate me.
I am educating you here today. That's for sure. I'm going to. That's part of my job.
No idea what you're talking about.
Oh, for sure, sir. I do know what I'm talking
so
about.
you
Didn't even know you took an oath to the United States Constitution and the First Amendment.
The city of Omaha, sir.
You took an oath to.
I'm not a federal agent.
It doesn't matter. You still take an oath to uphold the United States Constitution. We live in America, sir. You take an oath to uphold that Constitution.
We do live in America.
Yeah, and we have certain freedoms in this country, and I'm exercising one of those freedoms. So you, as a law enforcement officer who's supposed to protect those freedoms, shouldn't be questioning me in this way, and shouldn't be suspecting me of armed robbery or casing the place when I'm obviously not.
So you spoke to a supervisor?
Yeah, Tawana. Yeah, Supervisor Tawana. I told her I was taking some pictures and video here. She came to talk to me.
Okay.
That's correct. Same way I talked to you.
Anyone ask you to leave?
No one asked me to leave. Why would they ask me to leave? It's a public building. Everybody has a right to be in a public building. We have a right to be here. We have a right to check up on our government. That's another First Amendment right. You have
Cause any disturbance, which is what you're doing right now.
Oh, I'm causing a disturbance now.
Well,
I doubt that. See, what happens is that you can't come in here and then cause the disturbance and then say that disturbance is on me. You can't. There might be a disturbance, but you